Hey guys, and thank you for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to create this Bengali New Year look, and I have kept my eyes as a showstopper. I have also added a pop of red to my face to look it Bengalish, and I love how the look turned out. I'm just living for it. And if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with my eyes first, and I'm taking this Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm going to place this as my eyeshadow base, and with the help of the brush I'm gonna spread it out. Now, to make sure that my eyeshadow should not budge throughout the day, I'm going to set it with the compact powder, and the one today I'm using is from Lakme. Now, grabbing the Modern Renaissance palette from the Anastasia, I'm going to take the shade called Real Guard from this palette. I'm going to place that on my outer V of my eyes, going all the way through the crease. So I'm building the colors by taking a little by little and building the intensity that I need. Now, taking the clean blending brush, I'm softening the harsh edges. Now, taking the shade called Love Letter, I'm placing it in the inner and outer view of my eyes, joining through the crease. Now, taking the shade called Tempera from the palette, I'm going to place in my brow bone to highlight them. Further, I'm going to take the shade called Primavera from the palette, and this is basically a light gold shade. I'm placing it all over my lid with the help of my finger. Now, using the same shade Primavera, I'm defining my crease with the help of the brush. Now, taking the liquid eyeshadow from the Nicka, I'm gonna place it in my eyelid, leaving the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm using the same brush it comes with. Now, taking the darkest shade from the palette, I'm placing it in my outer corner and kind of blending the color to the liquid eyeshadow. Now, taking the Love Letter eyeshadow from the palette, I'm placing it between the gold and the brown to have a nice transition between both the shades. Now, taking the wet wipes, I'm cleaning out the fallout, and also I'm going to sharpen out the edges of my eyeshadow. Coming back to the face, I'm going to prime my face with the primer, and the one I'm using today is from the PAC. This is the PAC Bouncy Primer. This is a very thick primer which has a lot of silica in it and works completely fine when it comes to filling your pores. Now, taking an orange corrector from my LA Girl, I'm going to put in the areas where I have hyperpigmentation. This is basically going to cancel out all the darkness I have on my face and going to cancel out all the discoloration. Taking the powder compact from the Lakme, I'm going to place all those areas where I have used the orange corrector so that it should not mix with my foundation, which is coming up next. And for the foundation today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Matte 24-hour foundation, and this is a full coverage foundation, and I'm going to blend this out into my skin using the Damn Beauty sponge. This is a very full coverage foundation. You do not need a concealer underneath. I just because like my under eyes to be bright, I'm going with the concealer next, and the one today I'm using is from the Colorpop. This is in the shade medium, and I'm going to place this on the highest part of my face. And for the cream contouring, I'm going to grab the Makeup Evolution palette and I'm going to place the cool tone shades on the areas where I need depth on my face, basically on the hollow of my cheeks, my jawline, little bit on the temple and my nose as well. And I'm going to blend everything with the beauty sponge. Now to set my under eye concealer, I'm going to use the HD Banana powder from the PAC, and for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Lakme compact powder. Taking the contour kit from Anastasia in the shade light medium, I'm going to go grab the banana shade from the palette and put it under my eyes. And I'm also going to use the 2 contour shades from this palette to bronze my face. The highlight from the Maybelline, this is the Master Chrome highlight in the Molten Gold, and I'm going to place it in the highest plane of my face. And for the blush today, I'm going to grab the Peach Twist by MAC and I'm going to place this on the apple of my cheeks. For my liner today, I'm going to take the gel liner from MAC. This is called the BlackTrack, and I'm taking the liner brush. I'm going to pull out the wing, the inner and outer wing, and I'm going to join with the lower lash line. And I'm also going to place this in my waterline. Now taking the dark brown eyeshadow from the Anastasia palette, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Now finishing the eye look with the eyelashes, and the one today I'm using is from the PAC. This is the PAC Mink Lashes in the number M72. Now taking a little bit of foundation to my lips to even out the discoloration, I'm going further with the lipstick, and the one I'm today using is from Miss Claire. And with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.